Other times you may find a situation in which the paper points that you're using that are normally used with, for example, a regular tooth, something like a size 25 paper point. This one happens to be 40 diameter, but it's not long enough for the tooth. The actual canal system is long, let's say a long cuspid. And if you put this into the canal, it's going to be completely immersed into the canal and you're not going to be able to fish it out. So one of the ways that we can fix that is by taking a 20 file and by putting it into the paper point and turning it in. Give it a few turns so it's lodged in very, very well. So basically it fits into the paper point. Probably this one's about that depth. Now you have a paper point that you can use to draw a longer canal and make sure that it doesn't get caught in the canal, and you can fairly easily remove it. And if you have to do it for a couple of times, or for example, if you have a tooth that's really, really big apex, long tooth with a large apex, you use a larger paper point. And what we do is we, again, twist it into the paper. Just like this. Turn it in. Be careful you don't poke yourself. So it goes fairly straight into the paper point. And now you've got a paper point that will easily negotiate the longest of the canals. Very simple and easy trick to be able to draw canals even when they're really long.